possibly the worst place to pitch. Okay, not the worst, but it's a case of I'm sweltering, I'm getting swarmed by bugs. I am literally 20 meters from the actual field on top of North Hill. So this is where I make my stand. Okie dokie, so that feels okay. I can feel the old hammock, which is just hooked on there underneath it. I can feel it going click, 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 click from my little stitchings probably coming undone. But there is no way can the old one adversely affect the new one. It's not possible. So even if it does rip and fall apart, it's not going to affect the new one. Now, these straps, I always worry about these things coming undone, but so that's on that loop. Looped around that branch, which is a good old branch. I think it's an oak tree. Acorn tree? Oak tree? Hello. Thank you for looking after me. Please don't drop on my head in the night. There's a lot of deadwood here, but yeah, also a lot of life. When you've got a lot of leaves like this, that's a good sign. That means it will protect you if any of the big dead stuff just land on you. This one, same thing, a lot of deads, but also a lot of life stuff in there as well. I am tempted, because that is basically a pretty thin tree, and it's a little bit wobbly. I am tempted to take that strap and put it on that one over there. It would just about reach, but I do have a cord, so I could extend it. But I'm happy with that. From what I can feel, I'm not close to the ground, and there's no friggin' slate wall for me to slice into. It is a hell of a drop. I mean, if I do fall out, that's a bad example, but it is quite a drop down there to the valley floor. A snail. No, it's a leaf. What is a snail? Anyway, all the bugs are buggered off. It's that time of the evening where it's starting to get cooler, so all the bugs bugger off and try. Oh, I say that, some will come back. A lot of them bugger off to try and find sunnier spots. So yeah, I keep forgetting how much more comfortable it is without the airbed. So what I might actually do is not... What the hell is flashing in my bag? Why are you flashing? Okay, so that was flashing. I've no idea how long it's been flashing. Bollocks. I mean, the red light is now on, so it's actually getting charged up as soon as it hits sunlight. Yeah, I didn't even notice that. I must have hit the button by accident. Anyway, yeah, hammock is up. So what I might do is take out the inflatable and just use that as a windbreak if it does get breezy in the night. So I'll take it out, unfold it, but yeah, it's so much more comfortable lying just on the hammock skin as opposed to an inflatable airbed. As much as the inflatable airbed is nice and handy and gives you a bit of peace of mind in case it does break, something to land on, it's also rock fucking solid. I'd much rather have my arm as a pillow than a piece of rubber. So yeah.